Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect BigCommerce API to update product inventory, full guide step by step clearly. To connect BigCommerce API to update product inventory, begin by accessing your BigCommerce store. Log in to your BigCommerce account. Navigate to the developer portal. Select API accounts from the dashboard. Click on the Create API Account button. Fill in the required fields such as name and description. Set the permissions to allow read and write access to product inventory. Save the API account settings to generate your API credentials. Make a note of your client ID, client secret, and access token. Next, set up your development environment. You can use any programming language, but examples often utilize Node.js or Python. Install the necessary library for making HTTP requests. For Node.js, you can use Axios or NodeFetch. For Python, use requests or HTTPX. Create a new project directory to organize your files. In your project, create a file for your API connection logic. Begin coding by importing the required libraries. Set up a function to authenticate with the BigCommerce API using your credentials. Utilize the base URL for the API, which typically starts with https://api.bigcommerce.com. In your authentication function, include your client ID and access token in the request headers. Now you are ready to make a request to update product inventory. Create a function for updating inventory. Define the endpoint URL, typically formatted as /v3/catalog/product/product_id/variant/variant_id. Prepare the inventory data in JSON format, including the quantity you want to update. Inside your inventory update function, use the HTTP put method to send the request. Pass the inventory data as the request body. Handle the response from the API to confirm if the update was successful. Log the response status and data for debugging purposes. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.